Guys, in this video we're gonna see a hoof that is very bad. Look at the state of this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's the question that comes to mind, right? How can this animal be like this? Many conditions can affect it, like time, work, and even the relapse of an owner. But our staff are going to make a hoofing to correct it, and this is gonna provide the help this animal needs.
Stop.
Guys, in this case, we can see that this is a white line disease. You can see the characteristic white line that forms around the hoof, guys. So, and our staff here, they are going to do what's necessary for helping this animal today. Remember, guys, that the hoofs absorb all of the concussive impact from the horse's movement. So it's imperative the hoof is healthy to provide protection. Once the hoof is damaged, it increases the risk of other leg and body injuries. So it's really important and necessary to do this care. Guys, don't forget to follow our channel, let your like and your comment. How would you react if you see an animal in this condition? What would you do? That's the question. How would you react if you see an animal in this condition? What would you do? Let in the comments for us. If you don't follow us, if you are not subscribed to the channel, so subscribe in our channel and let your comment and let your like for us. This is what's gonna make us keep doing our work, our job, that is really to help animals in these conditions and give them comfort.
Don't stop.
Remember guys that it's necessary to assess the situation of each of the hooves, looking at them from both front and back, both with the animal still and in motion, always on a flat and hard surface, and after that it's necessary to evaluate the plantar surface of the hoof in addition to clean this area. Then focus on the frog, which must be cleaned and aligned with the rest of the hoof, cutting the excess part very carefully. It is known as the hoof's heart, in a triangular shape located in the center of it, and has the function of cushioning the impact of the ground, in addition to assisting in the blood supply to the interior. And remember, after the cleaning, the person responsible for trimming makes a detailed analysis of the hoof, checking for injuries, drills, or painful places before it gets done. And we can see here in the end that we got to correct this hoof, and it's more one animal having comfort and getting free from a problem that can become bigger in the future. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like to us and comment it here. Let here in the commentaries to us know, how would you react if you see an animal in this condition? What would you do?